In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Jira API URL. Understanding how to retrieve this URL is a fundamental step if you are planning to integrate Jira with other tools or to automate certain tasks using their API. It will only take about 5 minutes, so let's jump right into it and make sure you have all the information you need to access this essential piece of data. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Jira itself. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Jira website. If you have it bookmarked, go ahead and click on that bookmark. Otherwise, type in the web address into the browser's address bar. The standard format for a Jira URL, especially if you're using the cloud version, generally looks something like yourcompanyname.atlassian.net. You must be logged into your Jira account to access the resources we're going to look at today. So, if you haven't already logged in, enter your credentials when prompted. Make sure you're entering them correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Jira dashboard. This is typically your main workspace in Jira, where you'll see your projects, issues you're working on, and other related tasks. Now, the key step: the moment your Jira dashboard is in front of you, you'll want to direct your focus to the address bar of your web browser. This is the strip at the very top of your browser window. It's where the URL is displayed. You'll see text that's typically prefixed with HTTP or HTTPs followed by K-turn. Here's where you'll find the URL you're seeking. However, make sure you note the entire URL as displayed in the address bar. In our case, it's going to be the base URL followed by some additional paths, but usually your API URL will still begin with what you see before any additional paths after the .net, which is your standard Jira domain. Remember, when accessing Jira via the API, this URL forms the base portion of what you'll need to make HTTP requests to Jira's REST API. Essentially, it's the foundation on which you will build further endpoints for specific functionalities, whether you're querying issues, creating updates, or retrieving project details, among many other actions. If you're ever unsure, look for the most stable segment of your URL. This is typically just before any Jira or browse sections of the displayed URL, and use this as the consistent base. Armed with this URL, software or bots can interact with Jira just as you would in your normal browser, through code. For anyone working with Jira APIs frequently, it can be beneficial to save this URL somewhere easily accessible, perhaps in text documentation for your project, or within some API client application like Postman. It not only saves time but also serves as a quick reference point when setting up new API calls or troubleshooting existing configurations. In conclusion, finding your Jira API URL is as straightforward as reaching your Jira home and then grabbing what's displayed right at the top of your browser. It's an essential skill for anyone looking to harness the true potential of Jira through APIs. With this knowledge, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Jira with a host of other applications, automate your workflows more effectively, and improve productivity. By ensuring you have the correct URL each time, you avoid potential errors, and it brings confidence to your automation tasks. Thank you for watching this guide on how to get your Jira API URL. Now that you have this key information, your path to effectively leveraging Jira's API is clear and ready. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out our other resources or get in touch with community forums specializing in Jira and software integrations. Until next time, happy programming and integration.